Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Plantronics Voyager Focus UC headset. Start by putting the headset on and flipping the power switch to pair mode, then enable Bluetooth on your computer. Open Bluetooth settings, select the Voyager Focus UC from the device list, and confirm pairing. Install Plantronics software for firmware and mic controls if needed. Test audio by playing sound and making a quick call to check microphone levels and mute functions. Plug the USB adapter into your computer if you have the included dongle and switch the headset into pairing mode. If using native Bluetooth, search for Voyager Focus UC and pair without a code. After pairing, set the headset as the default playback and microphone device in sound settings. Adjust volume and side tone in software or OS controls. Finally, test with a short voice call and tweak mic position for clarity. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long setup sessions, fits in cup holders, and has a leak-proof lid that makes desk use easy. Check the description for the link and other deals I find. Thanks for supporting the channel and staying tuned. Now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, restart the headset and your computer, then retry pairing with the dongle if available. Update headset firmware via Plantronics Hub to resolve connectivity issues. Ensure no other active Bluetooth devices are interfering by disabling them temporarily. Rebooting the USB port or trying a different USB port often fixes adapter detection. For audio dropouts, lower wireless interference by moving away from routers and microwaves, and keep headset battery charged.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.